What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing something a little different with everything that's going on in the world. Lowe's has put out a hashtag BUILDTHANKS to all of the essential workers that are still having to go out and work every day to make sure that our society doesn't go into a total collapse. So I have a nice piece of pallet wood here, and I am married to an essential worker, so I thought I would carve in a thank you to her and all the other essential workers that are still having to go out and work. So let's just jump right in. Now that I have my design out, I'm going to be putting a carving bit on my rotary tool, heading out into the open air and going from there. Now remember, there's going to be a lot of dust flying around everywhere, so I am going to be masking up just like the CDC recommends. Enjoying it? Y'all? Careful. Thank you to all the essential people out there, whether you're making masks, having to be behind them, or you got to go to work and help make sure that society doesn't completely collapse. Thank you to all of you. This is for you all. Once again, thank you for making it to the end of the video. There are links down in the description below that help support the channel. I know these are tough times, but I can always put the links down in there if anyone deciding to watch wants to click on them. That's great. But if not, I'm just making these to keep putting an escape out there for you all to enjoy and then see how I do some things. So remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and then subscribe to make sure you don't miss any more episodes. Take care, stay safe, be healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.